Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the YouTube video and making sure captions are active, because Google Translate works from caption text. Tap the CC button to enable captions. If captions are missing, open Settings and choose Subtitles/CC, then Auto Translate later. Once done, pause briefly to confirm the original language appears. This setup gives the translator the text to convert. Make sure captions are readable and synced, because poor captions mean poor translations. Next, open the gear icon, select Subtitles/CC, and pick Auto Translate so YouTube uses Google Translate to render captions in your language. You should see a long language list. Type the language name to find it faster. Once you pick your target language, captions reload with translated text. You do this because Auto Translate maps original caption text to your preferred language in real time, and selecting the closest language keeps nuance and timing intact. Finally, refine readability by adjusting caption size or playback speed, because faster speech can drop words and confuse translation. If Auto Translate isn't available or looks wrong, switch to the original caption language to confirm accuracy, then try a different target language or re-enable captions. As a tip, if translations fail repeatedly, download the captions or use a browser extension to access Google Translate directly. This helps when YouTube's auto system.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.